everyone, I am Generous Robles Lacbayo from BS Ed English 3rd year. Today, let us know about the author first. Albert S. Florentino is the author and playwright of The Fame. The World is an Apple, the themes he usually tackles about deals with everyday scenarios of a commoner's life. He usually portrays the struggle of Filipinos. He was born on July 28, 1931. Florentino had his first familiarity probably during the time when his father, a teacher, was active on school activities such as directing plays, opted to get assistant from his son to do copies of the plays that he is directing. It is said from Florentino got his techniques in writing. With the experience, he got though to the fact that while typing multiple copies in his father's plays, so he needed to read the manuscript over and over again. As for his education, he attended U.S. Information Service, then the University of the East. He also attended to the University of the Philippines, the Far Eastern University. Albert Florentino was 23 when as accounting student of the University of the East. He won a Palanca Award for his play. The World is an Apple. This success at his first scenarios attempts at playwriting made him abandon his accounting studies to become a writer. He has since written more than 50 plays for his stage and more than 100 for televisions, besides having published 7 collections of his own plays and more than 70 titles by Filipino authors. He is today considered as one of the foremost Filipino playwrights in English. There are the elements of short stories. First is a character. Mario, the man who lost his job, the husband of Gloria and the father of Tita. Gloria, wife of Mario. Pablo, the crime buddy of Mario. And the last one is Tita, the daughter of Mario and Gloria. There are the short story written by Albert S. Florentino. Mario is an ordinary family man who works in a company. His pay is just enough to feed his family 3 times a day. One day, he saw a ripe in his workplace and through that, it belongs to no one. He brought it home and gave it his daughter. That is when Pablo came into the picture. He convinced Mario to do with him illegal things, so they earn large amount of money. Gloria talked to Mario and tried to convince him that it will only harm them, but his husband refused to listen. How sad is that? That your husband choose to do that to bad things just so could sustain your daily needs. My heart aches for Mario because somehow I can understand the feelings. His ego let the best of him. He must have been asked that he was not capable of doing the things that any family man should do. Mario feels a reflect between himself and the society because all of his doing is illegal and against the standards of the society. Let's move on setting. House with 2 wooden boxes flanks the doorway. At left in the acacia tree with wooden bench under it happened in the late afternoon. The next is plot. Introduction. Mario enters from the street at left. He is in the late 20s, shabbily dressed and with hair that seems to have been uncut for weeks. Gloria greeted him and then Mario asked about the condition of their children. So the play opens the disheveled young man returning home of his wife Gloria. She welcoming him and inquires about the health of their children, setting the scene of potentially tense conversation. Next is racing action. Mario started to elaborate his reason why he doesn't have money. And the next one is climax. Mario confessed that he lost his job because stealing an apple. And the next is falling action. Mario revealed the reason why he stole an apple and that he's planning to apply and as a night watching in the company. And then, conflict. Internal conflict, man versus self. Because is a literary device where a character grapples with their own thoughts, emotions, or immoral dilemmas. The last one is theme. It is man's basic instinct that drives him toward his survival. But no matter what, he should not forget that society expects him to conform to its norms. One's action is within right or wrong, and those should be kept toward the proper action. How wrong decision become greater burden to a family. And that's all about the world is an apple.